Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. I just wanted to ask you a few questions. So, why did you go solar?
I thought it was the most energy efficient thing to do. In Illinois, the electric company has been saying they're going to raise their rates, and I wanted to try and do something to keep mine the same.
Amazing. So, what would you say is your favorite part throughout the process of going solar?
Um, I'd say it's the no worries. The system works fine, and I have no problems from using the system.
Amazing. Well, we love to hear that. So, with all of this being said, would you recommend any of your friends or neighbors to go with green home systems?
I have recommended already to 3 different people.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And we highly appreciate that. And we really appreciate your time today. Thank you so much for answering my questions.
And thank you very much.